Chances are, if you clicked on this video, you are in need of an ugly Christmas sweater, and you are in the right place, because on So Much to Wear, we are all about thrifting and DIYs, so we're gonna get you the cheapest and best ugly Christmas sweater. Okay, so if you don't already have a sweater to work with, the best and cheapest place to shop is the thrift store, of course. Here I am at Goodwill just to give you an idea just how much great stuff is in here. I bought 2 plain sweaters, one red, one green, but ended up only using one for the project. The other is perfect as is for the holiday season. No DIY needed. They only cost me $2 each. Second stop, Dollar Tree. They have a great selection for every holiday. I was set on DIYing a light up sweater, so I was excited to find these battery operated necklaces for only $1 a piece. I'm not gonna actually wear them as a necklace, and I'm gonna show you in just a bit how they can be modified super easy and quick for your sweater. And they really have so many fun things at the dollar store. Definitely everything you need for this project. All that shopping later, we are back at home in the kitchen with everything out in front of us. So we found this in Patrick's closet. Did you even know that you had this?
I have no idea where that came from.
But the nice thing is it fits well, and it's white, and it's plain, so there's plenty of space to get creative. And after my quick trip to Goodwill, these are the 2 sweaters that I was able to find. They're actually really quality sweaters too. Try them on, made sure that they fit, and then obviously put them in the washer, because you are definitely not going to want to wash them after this.
I just got these do-it-yourself. A snowman and a tree. I don't know how both will fit on there.
So what we're gonna do is use this stuff, Heat and Bond. It is iron-on adhesive, so basically we can just cut these shapes into the same shape of this, iron it on, and you're ready to go. I thought this was hilarious. I think I might be the only one, but I'm a White Claw drinker and Santa Claus, so that's gonna be our theme. I sure hope I can pull it off. So it's time to get to work. And so one of the things I got at the dollar store was this Santa stocking, but I don't actually want it to be a stocking, so I'm going to cut it up. I really just wanted this guy. Okay, it's been like 2 minutes. What'd you do?
I made a snowman with a carrot.
What we're gonna do here is, once you have your felt and also your iron-on adhesive in the same shape, you just iron it together with the sticky side down on the wrong side of your felt. So Santa's really gonna have some literal claws in his hands, so I'm actually going to use koozies. Since I actually want mine to say a couple words, I'm gonna try a technique that is a little outside the box, using a discarded t-shirt that I got from one of my friends from a grocery store. I just pull something up in Word or Canva or whatever I want, and then this is my t-shirt. And the iron-on adhesive, I'm just going to use a pen to very lightly trace over this. And the next step is to actually cut these letters out. So once you've got those 2 ironed together, peel it over, Patrick, and the paper just comes off like this. Like this. Actually, it came off pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
So that leaves you with another iron-on surface, which we are just gonna use an iron to iron directly onto the shirt, just like we already did with the snowman. And it really keeps it stuck on there pretty well, but it's not like bumpy like hot glue would be. So it actually gives you a look of professionalism per se. Okay, so this was a huge fail. Huge. Something about the iron-on adhesive just did not work with my sweater. But this will totally work for you if you do have a less chunky knit or a sweatshirt material like Patrick. But for me, and if you have a more chunky knit sweater, it's time to improvise. And I'm going to improvise with what basically solves all of my DIY problems, the hot glue gun. Here I just went and I don't know where my sewing pens are right now, so this is the easy way to do it. I just put a safety pin in all of these little notches where I'm just gonna tack it down to the sweater instead of hot gluing it, just so that way I know it's not going to fall off. Santa is on the sweater. What I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna sew on these koozies. It took a little bit, but I got both of these koozies attached here with stitches. I did it on each of the corners. That's what it looks like from behind. Now I'm actually gonna stitch this necklace on. I kind of arranged it in a way where it doesn't look like a necklace, and I'm gonna use embroidery floss that matches my sweater. While we're sewing, here's something crazy to consider. While shopping at Kohl's, I passed these light up men's sweaters, and they have them priced at $70 retail. What? Of course, everything is on sale at Kohl's, but they're still charging $30 for these right now. Now, not only is $30 a lot to pay for something you're only gonna wear once, they're made with acrylic fibers, aka plastic. A single-use plastic Christmas sweater is horrible for the environment, so please remember there is already so much to wear, and use something you already own or shop secondhand for something like this. Thanks guys for watching our video tutorial on how to make your own ugly Christmas sweater out of thrifted and Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you make your own. If you do, make sure that you tag me on my Instagram. That is so much to wear. And if you're looking for maybe like a sustainable Christmas present to give people, I have a whole video about that. I can teach you how to make an easy DIY t-shirt blanket. I'm gonna link the video right there. But for now, thanks for watching and have a happy holiday.